I'm just sitting out here in the garage. It's been raining off and on. The grass is still looking a little wet. So I just thought I'd sit in here for a while. The birds are starting to sing since it quit raining. They're right here in front of me. If you see them on the bank there, they're looking for worms and stuff. There was a squirrel there, but I don't know if the bird scared him off or I did, or both. He went on up the hill there. All this heat, everybody, make sure that you drink plenty of fluids. I know I get dehydrated real easy. There's a squirrel back up there. Jumping around up towards the satellite dishes. Sprinkling a little bit now. There's another bird up there that's been around. I'm surprised none of the bluebirds are over here. You can see where this spaghetti squash is growing behind the trash can. That's growing all over this way. It's over there too. Things going wild. Unless something scared them off. It's a little bit quieter since it started sprinkling. Maybe that's why they flew up in that tree. Wish one of the woodpeckers was around. They're pretty big. I was surprised at the size of them. There's a little birdie. Hey there. Well, y'all, they got a little quiet when it started sprinkling. And it is sprinkling some, so It doesn't look like it's going to rain hard right now, though. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. Press like, subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I won't be having my regular show tonight. We're gonna have Logan's awesome snack reviews. So tune in for that tonight. I'll be right there with him. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.